You know what my favorite thing is? Cats. And eating them whole while they're still warm and fresh from the oven. Yum 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 yes, I am delicious. Oh yeah. Well at least I don't have to deal with trolls like you all the time. Riposo meow.
What's your favorite ice cat flavor?
My favorite ice cat flavor is mint chocolate chip. Minty fresh. Just like me.
What is your favorite flavor of cat?
My favorite flavor of cake is vanilla. It's such a classic and goes well with my favorite ice cream flavor, chocolate.